Hello, my name is Sesi Quashie and you're welcome. Hi beautiful people. So here's an easy aloe vera hair mask you could do at home. First of all, you need to make sure your aloe vera is washed and clean. Definitely don't need the edges, the pointed side, so just trim that or cut that away. You could use a pair of scissors or a knife, whichever you find really close or whichever you feel comfortable with. Okay, to do this more than twice in a month is okay. You just have to know your hair type and know what works best for you, because you don't overdo it. If you're looking out for hair growth, if you want to repair your damaged hair, if you want to condition, like deep condition, have that shine and beautiful healthy hair, this is the best thing for you to do. And I just trim up the whole leaf into like smaller bits. The second thing you need is oil, so either castor oil or coconut oil, but you guys need to help me on this because my oils have run out. Like I got just drops left in these bottles, but you could use either coconut oil or castor oil. If you don't have either of these, you could also use some extra virgin olive oil. That's just okay. It's also really good for your hair. I do have a mixture of oils I use for my hair. I made this myself, this mixture myself. So if you're interested in, let me know. So I probably could make a video on the oils I use for my hair, and it really works well. I love the smell, it's so good. Like my hair is literally growing. And yeah, it's time to mix. So just aloe vera and any oil good for the hair is just okay. You don't need so much. Try as much as possible to blend for about a minute or two to get a really smooth mix. So that's just it. There are no actual like measurements or requirements, I should say, with this kind of like hair mask, but you just want to be generous enough with your oils and with your aloe vera. It's best to apply this right after you shampooed your hair, because then your hair is clean and you'll be able to actually absorb the goodness of the aloe vera when you do that. Leave for a minimum of 30 minutes before you rinse out and condition your hair. To leave everything in the description, do read. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.